Long ago, hidden deep within the misty Khasi Hills of Meghalaya, there lived a terrifying serpent known as Thlen. Its hunger knew no end. It devoured livestock, travelers, and anyone who dared cross its path. Soon, fear spread across every village. The Khasi clans realized that no village could defeat the monster alone, so they united and prepared a clever trap, hiding sharp iron blades inside pieces of meat. Driven by endless greed, Thlen swallowed the bait without hesitation. Moments later, the blades tore through its body from within. The mighty serpent let out one final roar before collapsing forever. But as the people celebrated their victory, an old woman secretly took away a tiny piece of the serpent's flesh. It survived, whispering promises of wealth and power to those willing to listen. The elders say Thlen never truly died. It no longer lives beneath the mountains, but within the human heart. For wherever greed is greater than kindness, the serpent awakens once again and demands blood. This is the ancient Khasi legend of the serpent Thlen, a timeless reminder that the greatest monsters are the ones we create within ourselves.